So in this video, you learn how to connect Google Drive to your Claude AI and use it to find documents, summarize reports, and pull information from your files. So you can see here, I have a few realistic documents. We have a website redesign plan, a marketing strategy, and a client proposal. So let's navigate to Claude AI and connect our Google Drive. So here is our Claude AI. From your left side, click Customize and click Connectors. From here, simply click Connect. So choose an account. Continue. From here, you can grant all access. From here, click Continue. And you have authenticated our Google Drive to Claude. So let's give it a test. So come to the new chat. So from here, simply type, you can say, what documents do I have in my Google Drive, and press enter. So it's working. So we can say, what documents do I have in my Google Drive, and press enter. So it's working. So you can see it's pulling my recent files. Can allow. So you can see it has highlighted my 5 documents, including my website redesign plan, my marketing strategy, and client proposal, which you can see they're available on my Google Drive. And that's how to connect your Google Drive to your Claude AI. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next tutorial.